Right, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around this 1.2 litre SEAT Ibiza that we have in stock. This car is a 17 plate. I'm walking around the car, I'll show you each alloy to give you an idea of their condition. So this is the 3-door model. Walking around to the rear of the car, show you inside the boot. Inside the boot, you've got the car's original mats. You do have plenty of luggage space. You've got your parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy, and the seats do fold in a 60-40 split, giving you some extra room as well. Show you the interior. So you do have 5 seats. You have quite a bit of leg room. The seats are pushed all the way back. And I'll step in. So this car is a 6-speed manual. Over here, you've got your child locks, you've got your AC, you've got your entertainment system. Quickly show you the entertainment system. You've got all your different radio stations, got all your media sources, you've got Bluetooth hands-free audio with this, you've got voice activation control, got satellite navigation, got traffic updates. You also have your driving data. You just press this menu button, it brings you right back to the home. Got your air vents, speedometer. While I've got you, this car is on 27,600 miles. On the steering wheel to the left, you've got your media buttons. And on the right, you've got your trip computer, which you bring up in the middle of your speedometer. You've got your lights and your indicators on your left-hand stalk. And on your right hand, you've got your wipers. Down to your right, you do have your lights buttons. And down here in the centre console, you have your power outlets as well. Stepping out of the vehicle, I'll show you the last alloy. And this car does come with daytime running lights as well. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you'd like any more information about this car, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team, where they'll provide you with a more detailed and personalised video of this car. We hope to hear from you soon.